Today I'm going to show you how to put together a really quick rocket stove with 4 burners out of cinder blocks. This is very fast, very easy, great for an emergency or a grid down situation. We live in Louisiana. We have hurricanes, we have grid downs for all the time, sometimes weeks and months on end. So this is great to have around. I keep cinder blocks because I use them to trim raised beds, so I always have some that I can pull if I need in case of emergency. So it's really easy. This is how we're going to do it. Alright, to lay the foundation, the first part, you want to make sure all of your solid sides are up, and I'm starting with 4 blocks. Now you can stack this as high as you want if you want it to be high enough where you can stand at it, but for functional purposes you only need 1 level because you're creating a flat surface to feed your wood in on. Alright, then you want to put some of these blocks. They're just 1 panel blocks. You want to put 1 in the front and 1 in the back because you want to leave this part completely open. And then this one, you want to make sure that your holes are going this way so you can feed your wood in through here. But on the other side, you want to turn it up because you want to create a wall. You don't want your heat escaping on this side. So this side needs to be solid. This side needs to be open. This is where we're going to feed our wood into, right here. Then all you have to do is put your 4 blocks on top. Well, 2 blocks with 4 holes. Alright, and this will be your burners. You can put some grates on here. You're going to feed your wood in. It's going to burn here. It's going to send all your heat through the top. This is where your pots would go. So you have a 4 burner rocket stove. You can put pots and things on the side. Really quick, simple to throw together. Great for emergency situations. Like I said, we keep cinder blocks here. I use them to trim raised beds, so I always have plenty laying around. So it's not something you have to keep up all the time, but it's just good to know because you never know, especially for us in Louisiana. We have hurricanes and sometimes the grid goes down for weeks, and within the last few years we've had it go down for months because the storms are getting pretty bad. So hope that helps. Fun little project. Let the kids build them a stove and cook something.
I forgot to mention this while recording, but if you turn 1 of the 4 burner cinder blocks over on its side, you will effectively seal off 2 of the burners, creating a 2 burner rocket stove with a solid surface on the side of it that you can use to hold pots and utensils. If you turn both of the 4 burner cinder blocks over on their side, you will effectively seal off the entire top of the stove, creating in essence a wood burning brick oven. If you remove the top 2 4 burner cinder blocks completely and put a grate over the fire pit, you now have a grill. So there you have it. Very easy, very quick, build in 5 minutes, 2 or 4 burner rocket stove, brick oven, and grill.